Hey everybody, nice to see you all. My name is Portia and I'm here at City Perfume today, and we're going to talk to you about Alexandre J. He's brand new to City Perfume. They are exclusively holding him, and this is the new range. This is called the Marble range. They call it Oscent, and this is the pink one. There are 4 colors. There's black, white, red and pink, and they don't tell you a name. They don't give you a name. This is just the pink Oscent. It's very, very pretty. I'm going to put it on a card. Here you go. Feels good in the hand. Nice bottle. Oh, straight off the top, it's juicy. It's got red berries and a zing of aldehydes. Some musks, and I'm not sure, maybe some light florals through the center. Really interesting. The musk is a little like musk lollies when you're a kid. It's a little like that. Imagine crossing musk lollies and those strawberries and cream. That is what you're going to get here, and you're going to smell so delicious, everyone's going to want to eat you. So this is Oscent by Alexandre J. Brand new in City Perfume. I'm Portia Turbo from Australian Perfume Junkies. See you soon. Bye.